let's start the show. Hi folks, welcome to another episode of the Pink Lemonade Menagerie, the show where the motto is, what else are you gonna do? My name is the amazing face, damn it, Dan Block. Down there is Dapper, the three-legged wonder, and he's a very good boy. Our performer today is a very close friend, Fifi Mother Effin Switchblade, edited for the YouTubes. Fifi's a very good friend. She is the co-host and co-director of the Austin Menagerie, a show that we put on together based out of Austin, Texas. You probably could have figured that one out. Fifi's a member of the Strange Sideshow based out of San Antonio, a member of the Three-Legged Dog Sideshow. Represent. Enjoy. Quick shout out to Fifi's partner Kyle for filming that. You're very lucky you're living with a TV guy with cameras and stuff. Filming this on a cell phone. Now, if you folks did enjoy that, please, we will have links to Fifi's social media as well as their Venmo directly if you'd like to donate. Times are tough, but we here are really just trying to, for a couple minutes a day, make you think, damn, that kid's got an ugly sweater. Folks, I'm your host, the amazing face, damn it, Dan Block. This has been the Pink Lemonade Menagerie. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Go! Oh, that burp been so long. That burns of another bit of coffee today. Oh, sweet Jesus.